नमस्कार। हाय हाय। इनकी पेटलून चेक करो, क्या पेटलून है आपकी? सोबर रियली? वेलवेट पहना है यार मैंने, वेलवेट सूट। दिस इज नॉट इनफ। ये एक कलर, ये दूसरा कलर, ये तीसरा कलर, और मेरी पर्सनालिटी इतनी कलरफुल है। और कितने कलर चाहिए आपको, और कितना कलर चाहिए? ऑफ माय मूवी। हाय, मनीष पॉल आए हैं होस्ट हमारे आज रात के। आई थिंक उन्होंने भी वेलवेट ही पहना है। वेलवेट से याद आया पिक्चर की बात करते हैं। जो पिक्चर मैंने की है बाजीराव मस्तानी। आपने कहा आपको डायलॉग सुनना है, डायलॉग सुनना है। कौन सा डायलॉग सुनेंगे आप बताइए? मैं तो जूक बॉक्स हूँ, मैं तो चलता फिरता जूक बॉक्स हूँ। कुछ गा के
आपके अंदाज में सर।
क्या गाएं? रोनित सर, सर रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप
क्या बोलूं?
आप कुछ गा के सुनाएं।
मैं एक ही बात बोलूंगा, राव ने वाट लावली, राव ने सबकी वाट लावली।
सर थैंक यू जेंट्स। चालू हो गया शो, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? मनीष बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल। हाँ जी, तो क्रिश कैप्चर ही नहीं किया। क्रिश से पूछो, क्रिश जी कैसे लग रहा है? आपकी फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई, कुछ बताइए।
The way he's worked hard, he deserves all the awards this year, and always we wish him always the best.
Thank you.
And the energy he has, fantastic.
And what luck we have together. What a great combination. Myself with Eros. First it was Ram Leela, my breakthrough film, and now my biggest hit, Bajirao Mastani. I am so happy. Hopefully in the coming year also something
Special
maybe.
is happening.
हाँ जी। चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पर संदेह नहीं करता, कभी भी मात दे सकते। बस आगे बोलो। डायलॉग हो गया, डायलॉग, गाना, डांस, आप जो कहेंगे ना करेंगे। मल्हारी। अरे बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलता से धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी, धड़क धड़क भड़क जाली, चटक मटक वटक जाली, दुश्मन की देखो जो। Exactly. I love you, Manish. I love you. Why are you not being a responsible host? Go and be on duty. Oh, मनीष का खत्म करो, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, मैं यही हूँ सारी रात। First finish Manish's bites. Then I'm coming back क्योंकि क्या हुआ, मैंने डायलॉग बोल दिया और गाना गा लिया, अब बचा डांस। वो जो ब्रेक के बाद होने वाला है, क्योंकि मनीष आज का होस्ट है, यहाँ टाइम पास कर रहा है, उसको बाइट खत्म कर देने दो ताकि शो शुरू हो सके। मनीष, ओवर टू यू। तैयारियां अब हो रही हैं। आई हैव डाइव स्ट्रेट इनटू वर्क, रीडिंग्स, लुक टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज स्टार्टेड एंड it's very exciting. It's a light romance, breezy film. It's going to be yes. That's the genre of the film. It's a light romance, and we're going to shoot it in Paris. As soon as my hair grows out, we'll start shooting. अब देर सिर्फ इन बालों की है और it feels amazing to be working with Adi sir now in different capacity, that of director and actor. It's always, like I said in that video, it's always been one of my dreams, and it's a dream come true to be working under his direction. I started my work on my own, and soon Bani will be joining us for prep, and I'm very excited about this new pairing, and I'm going to hear the music soon. and I'm very very happy to be working on this one.
I'm going to hear that you will be putting on weight for
Oh no, not at all. I also read something. Ranveer has been asked to beef up
Yeah, it's
for
not
Beverly. It's not true. It's not true. It's going to be. I'm going to be lean, mean, and sexy. Actually, Befikre is the only movie I'm doing right now. After Befikre, yes, there are some very exciting prospects. I've been approached for all kinds of films, but I'm still in the process of working out which one is going to be the next one after Befikre. But what I'm very, very truly excited about is the fact that there's such good scripts and such interesting good scripts and such interesting characters. So I'm really happy. It's getting difficult to choose, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do all of them. But first things first, Befikre needs to go on the floors, and we need to make a good film. So all my energies are focused on Befikre right now, and enjoying the award season as well.
Aditya Chopra will be directing.
That is true, madam. After Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I am the only leading man to work under the direction of Aditya Chopra. It's quite cool. The fact that he's the guy who was the first one who recognized my ability and gave me a break. I said it at an awards function last night. I owe my entire career to the man. I love him to bits. I respect him no end, and he is my mentor, my guru. He's like a father figure to me, like a brother. One of the coolest people I know, and yeah, I think we're gonna be great together.
Ranveer, so much of
I don't know. Right now, I'm focusing on Hindi films. There's a lot of good films coming my way, thankfully, with God's grace, and I'd like to focus on the marquee Hindi film projects as of now.
What's your take on Anushka doing Sultan?
I'm very happy for her. Sultan's a big movie. It's a Yash Raj film, and I'm a Yash Raj boy. So yeah, I wish her all the best. I'm interested to see. Haji, please meet most promising debutante Vicky Kaushal, who is unbelievable in Masan. So proud of you.
Unbelievable in Bagheera.
Thank you.
He's my biggest inspiration.
कितना sexy लग रहा है मुन्ना
So
Haji.
sweet.
so much of love pouring in post Bajirao. How do you handle it? Does it ever scare or overwhelm you?
हेलो आपको भी कुछ बोलना है बोले हेलो
फतेह कौन
हाय
है?
हाय ये थोड़ा ऊपर बेटा हाँ हाय हाय किसी ये तो फ्लाइंग किसी ओह
सारे दिन गाती रहती है तुम्हारी पिक्चर के गाने.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sharad Kataria, one of the best, most brightest writing talents of our industry, and also the director of Dum Laga Ke Aisha.
हेलो हाय, थैंक यू फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन.
आप क्यों आ गए?
हाँ तो इनको भगा दिया, मैं इनको छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ.
लखानी साहब, ये हमारे लखानी साहब हैं, योगेश लखानी, ब्राइट आउटडोर्स, सारे होट आओ
एक मिनट सामने
ये
योगेश लगानी है. इन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में सबके होर्डिंग दिए. 20 साल से इंडस्ट्री में आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार सबके होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया.
हीरोइन का
ये
नाम
बहुत
है?
लकी आदमी है. बिपाशा बासु को भी पहला होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. कटरीना कैफ का भी इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. बहुत कमाल आदमी है. भी लगता है इधर सर
बोलिए, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. हाँ जी, यस, प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड अवार्ड. देखिए क्या हुआ, बिग स्टार एंटरटेनमेंट में रोमांटिक रोल लीडिंग मैन के लिए मिला दिल धड़कने दो. फिर स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स वी डोंट क्वालिफाई, विल क्वालिफाई नेक्स्ट ईयर. देन क्योंकि वो दिसंबर रिलीज का मामला होता है. फिर कल रात वेरी स्पेशल नाइट फॉर मी. आई शेयर द अवार्ड विद माय स्क्रीन आइडल मिस्टर बच्चन, बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल. It was amazing. What an experience. I can't explain to you what I was feeling. I really can't. It's something I've never felt before. That kind of rush and thrill to be standing there sharing an award with the guy who actually inspired you to be an actor in the first place. An absolutely incredible night. And Mr. Bachchan was so kind. Subhash Ghai was so kind. A really big night for me yesterday. A very, very special honor for me. Lean and sexy. Lean बताना था, sexy तो मैं वैसे. हाँ जी. आगे.
Yeah, no. I asked you post Bajirao, there is so much of outpour of love. Does it overwhelm you, scare you? How has it been like?
I don't know. I'm enjoying it. It's nice.
Okay.
It's nice. Feels great. But you know, everybody faces ups and downs in life. In your career, always there are ups and downs. The important thing is that you don't get too carried away with success, and you don't get too bogged down when there's failure, because films are collaborative. It's everybody's effort together. So you can't take the brunt of failure entirely on yourself, and you can't take the credit for all the success just by yourself. There is a director, there is a whole team that works. So you kind of adopt a middle path. You realize that the most important thing is that you, from your end, as in the capacity of an actor, go out there on a film set and you do your best every day on every film, on every day of shoot of every film. Success and failure is not akele mein you're doing. You know, there are a lot of factors involved. So important to not get carried away. It's important to not get too bogged down. So like the Buddhists preach, you should adopt a middle path.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy the year.
One sickness, when friends.
सुशांत मुझे प्यार देके क्यों नहीं गया? नोटिस किया आपने?
हाँ, देख लीजिए. सर वो अभी वायरस से शायद बाहर निकल गए इसलिए.
शायद हो सकता है.
सर सच में.
Some people do the Facebook Live.
टीके को ऑल द बेस्ट कर दें, उनकी भी फिल्म आ रही है. सब जो भी गया प्यार देके गया, सवाए उसके, पता नहीं क्यों, पूछूंगा मैं अंदर.
बात तो करते हैं ना आप लोग. वायर ऑफ टैलेंट.
हाँ जी.
वायर ऑफ टैलेंट जो रहे वो एक्सपायर.
हाँ, एक्स.
Thank you guys. Today we need to finish the Facebook Live.
जो
हाँ.
टीमिंग रनवे.
बस अभी मैं जाऊँ.
No, you leave it as early.
क्या यार, भगा रहे हो यार मेरे को. डायलॉग बुलवा दिया और फिर क्या
आपके ऐसा रॉकस्टार
डायलॉग बुलवा दिया और गाना गवा दिया. गाना नहीं गाया, गाना भी गवा दिया, डांस नहीं कराया. म्यूजिक बजाओ तो हम डांस करें. मैं वैसे अपना खुद का बूम बॉक्स लेके घूमता हूँ. हाँ, अक्सर मैं एक्चुअली फिल्म फेयर वालों ने बैन किया हुआ है कि अब आप रेड कार्पेट पे अपना बूम बॉक्स नहीं लेके आ सकते. थोड़ा अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करें, थोड़ा अपने बिहेवियर को कायदे में लाएं. लेकिन आपको साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा. सब लोग बोलो ओके.
How are you all?
Sir, how is the new year treating you? The boxer look is out there for everyone to see.
It's been very exhausting. एक तो एक फिल्म रिलीज करते करते हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. अभी दो हैं, तो एक दिन आधा दिन चेन्नई, आधा दिन बॉम्बे, फिर वापस चेन्नई, फिर बॉम्बे. मतलब बेहाल हो गया हूँ मैं तो.
Sir, how much have you gained for this?
Money or weight?
Well, both.
No, actually I've gained a lot of muscles, but it's been it's not easy. यार मद्रासी हूँ, थोड़ा बॉडी चलाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but it's been worth it.
How important is an award to you, a commercial award? Does it hold any significance these days?
It's always fun to meet the fraternity. You get a chance to meet your friends and your colleagues, and I'm sure getting an award is a thrill. अभी तक मुझे मिला नहीं, जब मिलेगा मैं आपको बता दूँगा.
Sir, boxer wise, who has inspired you? From real life ones?
I think one of the greatest boxers ever to live was Muhammad Ali. So I've been a huge fan of his.
So what kind of homework have you done? Did you watch all those videos of those great boxers to prepare for this?
Not only did I watch all his videos, मैंने उनके मतलब सारे जो बाउट्स हैं उन्हें देखे हैं, उनके बारे में जितने किताब लिखे गए हैं वो सारे पढ़े मैंने, बॉक्सिंग के जितने टेक्निक्स है वो सब सीखी, 7 महीने से मैं बॉक्सिंग सीख रहा हूँ. इट वॉज गुड फन.
Is it difficult to maintain this?
हाँ यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये. एक तो है बाल झाड़ो वही बहुत बड़ी बात है, अभी लड़कियों की तरह बाल दाढ़ी सब कुछ इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट.
Could you pose for the camera, the boxing style?
Of course, there you go, there. Whatever you want me to do. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Sushant and Ankita,
Good evening.
how were the holidays and New Year?
Superb.
See, I have no memories because till 30th I was shooting. 31st we went to some place, and I don't remember. What the? Why is screwing my interview, man? Come on.
Sushant, Ranveer was just saying आप मिले नहीं उनसे ऐसे
हाँ.
करके.
ऐसे होता है,
ऐसे ही होता है.
ऐसे कोई करता है.
वैसे तो मेरा इंटरव्यू खराब कर रहा है यार.
भाई को प्यार नहीं देगा,
मैं नहीं कर रहा बस.
हाय हेलो भी नहीं करेगा.
कोई बात.
दिल दुखा दिया तुमने मेरा.
ये भी कौन है मुझे बता दादा.
ओके, अभी मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड. एनीवेज, लाइक मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है.
मोहित है, मोहित.
अभी मैं आंसर
कंटिन्यू प्लीज. सॉरी.
थैंक यू.
Always screws up my interview. Sorry, yes. We have
We were just finishing the holidays. and then-
yeah, so then something happened and I don't remember a thing.
Ankita, आप बताएं थोड़ा elaborate करें.
बहुत मज़े किए, बहुत मज़ा आया.
Ankita enjoyed a lot.
आई एम श्योर सबको मज़ा आता है न्यू ईयर्स पे. सो आई रियली
Do
एंजॉय.
you remember things?
Yeah, of course I do. Yes, I
Do
do.
you have pictures?
Yes,
Send it to me.
I
We are
will.
looking forward to MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
Have you finished shooting for the role entirely? How difficult has it been shooting for a biopic of that magnitude?
See, every time you play a character, it's very difficult. I mean, like the most difficult part is to convince yourself that you're the character. But yes, playing somebody who is everybody has a very strong visual reference of, so you need to actually imitate at the same time make yourself believe that you're the character. It's slightly tricky. Let's see. I've given my best.
Ankita,
Disha Patani is playing one of the roles of one of the love interests of Dhoni. So have you finished?
Somebody from the studio will make the announcement.
Ankita,
I'm definitely playing Dhoni.
क्या है?
कोई बात नहीं, आप
She's
पूछ
a
लो.
मधुबाला, पता नहीं.
ओह माय गॉड. पूछो यार क्या है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो February आ गया है. Like you told us like January, February, we decided.
Ask him. शादी, right?
Yeah.
Ask him. यही पूछता है हमेशा से सवाल वो.
December, for sure.
अगला दिसंबर.
This December.
किसका?
Yeah.
12 महीने, 11 महीने.
Bus.
नहीं.
Would it be a destination wedding?
Are you asking me or are you scaring me? Tell me that. Are you like scaring?
We are getting married in December?
Of course.
Okay, December. Guys, it's December.
Decided. नहीं, but December 2016 or what? Like, you know,
2016 December.
Oh God.
He's
It's
scaring me.
okay.
He's trying to scare
It's our marriage.
शायद महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के अलावा अजहर उद्दीन पे भी बायोपिक बन रही है जिसमें इमरान हाशमी में किरदार निभाया है. तो क्या किसी तरीके का एक कंपटीशन हो जाता है?
कैसे competition हो
Because
सकता है? मतलब
compare
I
हो
think
जाता है कहीं ना कहीं.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं because these two are like completely two different personalities, two completely different decades, and their stories are completely different. So I don't think we're making a film on cricket. We're making a film on Azhar and Dhoni, who are like diametrically opposites. So I don't think there's
Ankita, सुशांत अभी स्टार बन गए. How do you see him? ये देखो.
How do you
How
see?
do you perceive him now?
मैं सुपरस्टार हूँ. It doesn't matter.
अंकिता आपको कहाँ देखने वाली हो?
थोड़ा expand होने के लिए. Do you get possessive about him?
No,
Elaborate.
no.
तो विस्तार से.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमेशा मेरे पीछे है. Like he loves me and he's always there for me. So I don't need to be possessive about
Why are you not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure.
Always been happy about both of you.
Then ऐसे क्यों आग लगा रहे हो हमारे बीच? Are you possessive?
And next, आप आएंगी फिल्मों में?
I think she's.
अंकिता अभी
I
कहाँ
think
देखेंगे हम आपको?
अंकिता
You
सुनने में
will
आया कि
see
आपने
me somewhere.
sultan का भी ऑडिशन दिया था. Was it true?
I think she's too lazy to do.
Yeah,
any of
actually,
it right now.
I'm too lazy to.
She gets up at, I'll tell you what, the secret. She gets up at 4 in the afternoon
No,
and tells me good morning. So this is what's happening in
but it's okay. I've worked hard, so I'm happy in my
Yes,
life.
it's
Been
like,
happening, Ankita? Seriously?
No, nothing.
Ankita, any plans for TV again?
मुझसे भी पूछ लो यार कोई
I don't know anything, right? I'm not doing anything. Trust me. I'm not doing it all.
Bowling करिए और ये batting करेंगे.
Huh?
You will bowl and you will bat.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
अच्छा ऐसे हाँ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर करण
Happy New Year.
कितना मिस कर रहा है भारत देश आपको
मैं अभी वापस आया हूँ 2 दिन बेस्ट एक्टर 2015 कर लिया
From one style icon to another.
हाँ give them a bag I don't say you have to give bites हाँ come हाँ
And I was here for half an hour.
it's okay spend 5 minutes more I have nothing more to say हाँ yes
बाकी काम बाद में.
Would you be hosting any segment in Filmfare?
I think so I'm not sure
Best host in the business.
I just announced you as Best Actor 2015. It's a mutual admiration society. When I'm looking forward to Filmfare, I think I've been hosting, ever since I was born. So I think being at
Are you
Filmfare
coming
Turf
to
is,
give lifetime achievement?
I am lifetime achievement. I think eventually I'll be giving myself that award very soon. हाँ जी और कोई सवाल करना था आपको या मेरा हो गया?
Lifetime is just full of achievements.
Karan, we are also waiting for Aidil Mushkil. How's the chemistry between
I'm also waiting for Aidil Mushkil.
Ranveer and Aishwarya turned out to be...
Well,
Karan narrated some scenes to me from Aidil Mushkil and I fell off the sofa laughing.
this is my interview.
It's okay. I just gave you that.
It is nothing.
Tell us about Aidil Mushkil.
I don't want to reveal too much, it's too early, but it'll release Diwali this year and I hope everybody enjoys the vibe of the film.
But anything on the chemistry between Ranveer and Aishwarya?
Well, who knows who's with who in the film?
We know that you'll be launching Aryan. What kind of a film?
No, I just said it, Aryan is like my son. So if anyone has to launch him, that will be me. But when that will happen, who knows? Best Director 2015, I have announced.
Tell us about your experiences at Filmfare. How was it like?
My experiences in the previous what? The awards at the previous parties?
Awards and what?
Filmfare, amongst the many awards, is one of the more prestigious awards. So it's always been a great experience. There's always some great entertainment, a lot of fun. Meet all my colleagues.
So it's a great platform to come here and sort of interact. Since we don't all meet very frequently, this is one platform where we all get to meet.
Bollywood is really missing you. When do we see you back on screen?
I hope to see myself this year back on screen. Not back on screen, hopefully, back acting this year and maybe on screen if it releases early
Have you
next year.
signed up with this?
I haven't, but I hope to do something this
So
year.
in talks with someone?
Yeah, I talk to many people, yeah. But it's a matter of time before something good happens.
Any exciting projects lined up?
I'm hoping so. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I should talk about Akira and Force 2 right now, and yeah, I'm looking forward to those two roles definitely.
Alright, how has your memory been with Filmfare?
It's been fantastic actually. I think the first time I ever went on stage was at the Filmfare Awards, where my dad took me to present an award. I presented one to Yashji also, and I remember very clearly to Karan also. I think I gave him his debut director award, so that was very special.
Your father Shatrughan has released his book. What are your favorite portions in the book? Anything that has really got
My
you?
favorite portions are when he talks about his childhood years, which are certain things that I didn't know about even as a daughter, because I guess you just skip those at some point when you're talking. But I'm getting to read so much about him and know so much about him, and makes it so much more clear the kind of person that he is and who he's become today, and I'm really, really proud of him.
Social media is also abuzz with the portion that he's written about Bachchan Saab as well. Have you read those? What is your take on the scene?
That is an equation between my dad and Mr. Bachchan, and I think they are both very clear about the relationship that they've shared in the past, the relationship that they share now. They have been friends, they have been contemporaries, they have been competitors, and I guess it's all in the game. So I don't think if either Mr. Bachchan or my dad have an issue with it, nobody else should.
सोनाक्षी, आपके मॉम और डैड ने बोला था कि जब सोनाक्षी चाहे तब वो शादी के बंधन में बन सकती है, तो क्या सोना सोच रही है कि
तो आपको बड़ी जल्दी है हाँ, मतलब आप मुझे खुश नहीं देख सकते अभी फिलहाल नहीं, कुछ सोचा तो है नहीं, बट आई एम श्योर कि जब समय सही होगा, पहले कोई मिलने तो दो यार
Sonakshi, any performances lined up in Filmfare this year?
No, unfortunately not this year. Yeah, but looking forward to the function right now. Fantastic. It's been a great year so far. I have a good feeling about this year as well, and hopefully I'll make it better than the last one. Done? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Amazing, awesome. और आपका? Great. Yes, of course I am. So yeah, but nothing that I can share at the moment. कौन सा? Oh, Afghan Jalebi, Big Star Entertainment, right? Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm not, as per my knowledge. Thank you.
You now, you are the Sultan or the
I'm not a Sultan. Salman is only the Sultan.
like what are you?
Firstly, I'm thrilled to be working with Salman. I think there's nobody like him because of his persona, and the film is something that I'm really, really excited about. My role is something that I'm extremely excited about. So I think all in all, it's seeming like something that I'm just waiting to dig my teeth into.
Anushka, last year in the month of September, somewhere in the month of September, there were speculations that you would be a part of Sultan. And I remember you tweeting saying that no, it's not true. So what happened? I mean,
Because I wasn't doing the film at that time.
how did all of this fall in place?
See, the thing is that I'm not going to dwell into what happened, but I'm just concerned with what's happening right now. And what's happening right now is that I'm doing the film, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
अनुष्का अभी तो सिर्फ पिक्चर आए फोटो उससे पहले लोग इतने उत्साहित हो गए कि यू हैव बिकम द मोस्ट PVVIP फॉर द फिल्म फेयर रेड कार्पेट इवेंट
Okay.
awaiting your expressions and your answer on this, like the most happy celebrity now in the film industry.
Are you giving me a compliment?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Responded. So now
I'm saying thank you. मतलब और क्या?
all three cars would have worked.
Actually, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I mean, it's great. I think it's something that I'll always be very proud of at the end of my life, and something that I can always look back and be happy about. That I got to work with all three amazing, firstly actors and people: Salman, Amir, and Shah Rukh. And yeah, I think the kind of experience that they have for anybody to just work with them. I think it's like a life experience that you get, and I definitely feel that when I did a film with Shah Rukh, like 2 films with Shah Rukh and with Amir, I felt like I had learned a lot more. Like I felt that growth, you know. So I think that's what these people have. They've been working for like over 20 years, and it's a great feeling, and I feel very humbled by the opportunity.
Anushka, Sultan and Raees will be releasing probably as of now together. What do you have to say about like the clash?
There could be a clash between Sultan and Raees at the box office.
Huh?
The clash between Bajirao and Dilwale that happened. So what is your take on this box?
I think, I feel if films are good, how many other films release in a day? I think there's enough audience there to, and they have enough enough appetite for good films. So I don't think that really, in my personal opinion, I don't think that matters.
Anushka, also, is Sultan a true heroine project or is it only a solo heroine?
No, it's just
अच्छा आप